Situation was a young man. I work with young students, or students of all ages actually, but a young student came to me recently and said that he had received a letter saying that he was going to be evicted from his flat. He then went on to tell me that he was in debt, over £2,000 in debt. He hadn't eaten, he had lost his job, he was struggling in coming into college because he just wanted to pull a duvet over his head and bury his head in the sand. Signposted him onto to CAB, to the Citizens Advice Bureau, and luckily we made an appointment for him to see them that afternoon. Also referred him via to the food bank through CAB so that he could get some food to eat. Immediately there was relief on his face, thinking, oh, at last, I've told somebody and I'm, shared this, and it has made a big difference. And he went on to go to his appointment with CAB. He actually that weekend got another part-time job, and things are on the up. He is now coming in again to college. His work rate has improved, his attendance has improved, and his whole outlook is on the up. Obviously the debts are still there, but he's working his way through them. Having done the training, the book that we were given with all the information has been a godsend. We're constantly referring to it and signposting students on to different agencies.